Okay, so I'm here now with Clara, the Spanish teacher. So Clara, what have you done today?
I have been doing some of the pictures and helping some of the students with their pictures too.
I know that because you're a very good drawer, so there'll be very good ones in there.
I hope that every student enjoy the process of learning because I'm seeing great learning in today.
So how do you recognise great learning?
When I see that everybody is focused, when I can see them that they are trying to do their best and trying to improve their pictures and other students' pictures. So on that, when I see that everybody is trying to do their best, they are very focused, is where I see great learning.
Thank you for talking to us today. This is Ava, and I was talking to Clara, our Spanish teacher. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We are doing 3D printing with 3D pens, and it's quite hard.
So right now I'm just trying to make my name with these 3D pens. They're really hard to use because like the plastic comes out quite slowly. That failed. I'm gonna have to start again now, lucky me.
So why did you choose to use the 3D pens today?
Because I think they are a good bridge between traditional printing, so kind of like one layer, to what is three-dimensional printing, and then obviously the next step being to actually get a full-fledged 3D printer to make three-dimensional objects. The 3D pens cross that gap.
So what are you currently using the 3D pens for?
Today they're looking at building structures because that's the focus of the big draw, is to draw the buildings in Plymouth. But they're also experimenting with the actual material science. So looking at it's a PLA plastic, which is a biodegradable plastic. But once heated, it becomes a liquid, and the pen exudes or extrudes this plastic out in a sort of a reliable stream, and you can effectively write with that. Now, the material itself, once it comes out the end, is only fluid for a very short period of time. So what you can create is only really limited by your imagination.
How much do the 3D pens cost?
Relatively inexpensive. They're about £50 a pen, and the filament is about £12 a roll. So to actually run them is very cheap.
What sort of future do you think 3D printing has in our school?
So what I hope to sort of bring to the school, really, in terms of 3D printing and the technology, is an ability for students to envisage a project and actually make it real. So whether that is designing something on a computer program and then sending that to a printer to be fabricated and prototyped, or it might be design challenges, okay? But really, I'm looking for learners to just be able to experience the different types of printing. So whether that be an ink printer, through to the 3D printing pens, then all the way up to the fully fledged 3D printers where you can actually kind of build some pretty impressive structures.
Okay, thank you for letting us interview you today, and we hope that 3D printing goes far in our school.
This is Charlie interviewing Ava,
This is Ava interviewing Charlie.
and we're both interviewing each other. What do you think you've done to contribute to the big draw?
I think I contributed by shading, adding rows to connect different places, and colouring in, and just drawing, really. That's right for the big draw. And what have you done to contribute?
I think I've used a lot of wax, especially in new building, because the reason we're using wax is when we add the coloured ink, wax sort of stops the coloured ink from coming, and so it's pretty good. Okay, we've been Charlie and Ava.
Yep.
Thank you.